Hi everyone, in today's video, let us learn how to flash the various brands of cell phones or smartphones. Objectives: at the end of this video, you will be able to identify the flashing tools, perform a flashing process, flash the various brands of cell phones and smartphones. Let us collect the tools and equipment required to do this practical. Cell phone or smartphone with SD card, 1 number. Data connection to the cell phone, 1 number. Desktop computer or laptop, 1 number. Let us discuss the flashing process on a smartphone. Flashing typically refers to the process of installing or updating the operating system or firmware on the device. This can involve replacing the existing operating system with a newer version, installing a custom ROM, customized version of the operating system, or applying patches and updates provided by the manufacturer or third-party developers. Task 1. Identify the flashing tools. Let us discuss flashing tools. A flashing tool for smartphones is a software application or utility designed to facilitate the process of flashing firmware, custom ROMs, recovery images, and other software components onto a smartphone or tablet device. Number 1. Odin. Odin is a popular flashing tool specifically designed for Samsung Android devices. It's commonly used to flash firmware, custom ROMs, kernels, and recovery images on Samsung smartphones and tablets. Number 2. SP Flash Tool. The SP Flash Tool is primarily used for MediaTek-powered Android devices. It allows users to flash firmware, custom ROMs, recovery images, and more on smartphones and tablets with MediaTek chipsets. Number 3. Fast Boot or ADB. Fast Boot or ADB, Android Debug Bridge, are command line tools included in the Android SDK software development kit. They are commonly used for flashing Google Pixel devices and other Android devices that support Fast Boot mode. Fast Boot is particularly useful for unlocking the bootloader, flashing partitions, and performing other low-level tasks. Number 4. Mi Flash Tool. Mi Flash Tool is developed by Xiaomi for flashing firmware on Xiaomi Mi smartphones and tablets. It supports flashing both stock ROMs and custom ROMs, as well as unbricking devices and restoring stock firmware. Number 5. SPD Flash Tool. SPD, Spread-Drum Flash Tool. Flash Tool is used for flashing firmware on smartphones and feature phones powered by Spread-Drum SPD chipsets. It supports flashing stock firmware, custom ROMs, and other firmware components. Number 6. Qualcomm Flash Image Loader, QFIL. QFIL is a flashing tool specifically designed for Qualcomm-powered Android devices. It allows users to flash firmware, stock ROMs, and other firmware components on Qualcomm-based smartphones and tablets. Xperia Flash Tool. Xperia Flash Tool, developed by Sony, is used for flashing firmware on Sony Xperia smartphones and tablets. It supports flashing stock, ROMs, custom ROMs, and other firmware components. Number 8. Research Download, RDA Flash Tool. Research Download is used for flashing firmware on feature phones and smartphones. Powered by RDA microelectronics chipsets. It supports flashing stock firmware, custom ROMs, and other firmware components. Task 2. Perform a flashing process. Precaution. Number 1. Brand and model must be same. You can verify or net confirm your smartphone. Number 2. Never downgrade Android version of your smartphone. Number 3. Before trying anything, make a complete backup of your data in a computer. Number 4. The above tutorial only works with the stock firmware or custom ROM which comes with the scatter file in it. Number 5. Take a backup of your important data before using the smartphone flash tool, because during the flashing process, your personal data will be removed permanently. Step 1. Use a USB cable to connect your mobile device to your laptop. Make sure both devices are powered on. Step 2. Once connected, your laptop should recognize your mobile device as a storage device. Step 3. Select the files or folders you want to backup. Step 4. Copy and paste them onto your laptop's hard drive or an external storage device connected to your laptop. Step 5. After the backup process is complete, verify that your files are safely stored on your laptop or external storage device. Step 6. Press and hold the power button until the power off menu appears on the screen. Then select power off or a similar option to shut down your device. Step 7. Use your fingernail or a pry tool to carefully lift the cover away from the phone and remove the battery if it is removable. Step 8. Download the stock ROM or custom ROM software that you want to flash on your Android smartphone and copy it on your computer. Step 9. Before downloading any ROM, ensure you know the exact model of your smartphone. Step 10. Look for a trusted website or forum where ROMs are available for download. Some popular sources include XDA developers, Android forums, or the official website of your smartphone's manufacturer. Step 11. Once you have found a reputable source, navigate to the ROM section for your specific device model. Look for the ROM version that you want to install, stock or custom, and ensure it's compatible with your device. Step 12. Download and copy smartphone flash tool on your computer. Step 13. Open a command prompt or terminal window on your computer and navigate to the directory where you downloaded the firmware files. Use the ADB and fastboot commands to flash the firmware onto your device. The exact commands will depend on the firmware you are flashing, so make sure to follow the instructions provided with the firmware files. Step 14. The flashing process can take several minutes, so be patient and don't disconnect your device until it's finished. Step 15. Once the flashing process is complete, reboot your device. It may take a little longer than usual to boot up as it initializes the new firmware. Recap. In this video, so far we have discussed how to identify the flashing tools, perform a flashing process. Thanks for watching.